Okay, so check out my latest build. It's a Milwaukee Rd Little Joe. It's done Marx style with two E7 cabs that I cut them a little shorter than I usually do my dual cabs, so I could mount the motors closer together so they look a little more like the Little Joe. The Little Joe is actually a 4.884, and these are a 4.664. The E7 only having a triaxle. But the Little Joe got its name because they were ordered during the Cold War by Russia, and the U.S. government canceled the order because they were considered of strategic importance, and so the crews nicknamed them the Little Joseph Stalins, and then of course they shortened it to Little Joe. Milwaukee Rd bought them pretty cheaply from General Electric, I think for $1 million for 12 of them and all the parts. So there's two motor plates under there. There's a power pull motor on the front, and because I was able to set the motor plate back a little farther, the power pull with a large weight fits in there. I also put glass in the windows. So we've got these platforms were made using a 1666 rear plate, and I've got scale trucks from a passenger car underneath them. So we'll check it out, see how it runs. I've got some Lionel Milwaukee Rd passenger cars. These were used for both passenger and freight service. The pantographs are actually from my New Haven, so they're only sitting on there loosely. The permanent ones are hopefully in the mail and on their way, but for now I'll see if I can get those to stay on there as we watch it run around. Okay, I see my one pantograph, the lead one, is starting to slide a little bit, so we'll stop it. But my daughter did the touch-ups and painted the handrails for me. I made the decals myself, and we've got 19-volt LEDs in both the front and the rear headlights. Those are from Evan Designs. So thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord. Hope you like the Milwaukee Rd Little Joseph Stalin.